Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this video on how to make an ECM. Welcome to the Royal Manticore Navy. My name is Captain Garret Bitker, and I will be showing you how to make a non-alcoholic version of our famous missile pod. Let's start with the ingredients. It starts off with a caribou coffee cinnamon syrup. Next, we follow it with any brand or type of coffee creamer. I prefer the generic store brand French vanilla. That's the best. And we follow it with Torani brand sugar-free chocolate syrup. It's important to get the sugar-free because then the density is lower and it will float on the top. Now, unlike a missile pod, this one will be upside down from that. The cinnamon will be on the bottom, not on the top. You start with the cinnamon syrup. Pour in about 1/3 of a shot glass of cinnamon syrup. Next, you are going to add the coffee creamer. I have handy-dandy chemical wash bottles, which I find to be very useful for this because I can get the applicator right down next to it and float it over top of the cinnamon syrup. And I want about 1/3 of the shot glass to be the creamer. Finally, we use the chocolate syrup. Once again, I use a chemical wash bottle so I can float it over the top. This should be the least dense. You might see some mixing at the top layer with the creamer. This does happen. It's not unusual. You can't avoid it completely. Have some fun with it. Make some designs like they do in the top of your latte. When you're happy with the volume of chocolate syrup you've got in there, you are ready to fire your ECM or electronic countermeasures. Should look like this when you're all done. Good luck, everyone, and you know what they say in the Royal Manticore Navy. Roll pods!